Hello everyone, today I'll be giving a presentation on my material research and experimentation process. In the initial stage of this project, I selected 10 common objects and conducted preliminary research on their material properties and cultural contexts. To carry out deeper analysis, I choose to focus on two representative materials, modeling clay and stainless steel. Modeling clay is a soft solid material at room temperature, known for its high plasticity and easy of hand shaping. It is generally non-toxic, has a smooth and squeezable texture, a meat odor, and can be customized in color. Because of its malleability and approachable feel, it is widely used in art modeling, children's toys, and prototyping. It also carries cultural significance, symbolizing creativity, play, learning, and healing. In contrast, stainless steel possesses very different characteristics. It is a solid material with high stress, hardness, and corrosion resistance. It is non-toxic and has a cold, smooth, heavy touch. Visually, it's a silver gray, highly reflective material that can be etched or brushed. It's commonly used in kitchenware, architecture, sculpture, and medical tools. Initially, I explored several design concepts under the theme of human and nature. For example, a heart-shaped nightlight inspired by leaves and veins, a brush pot decorated with dry flowers, a 3D pound-shaped clutch using clay or cardboard, and a forest deer scene made with layered boards. However, as I developed these ideas, I was inspired to create something with a strong social warming message. A conceptual ashtray model that reflects the harm of smoking. To support this idea, I researched the damage of second-hand and third-hand smoke on the lungs and people around us, and created a mood board. Then I tested a range of burnable baking material, such as ordinary paper, plastic etching plate, waterproof paper, wet medium acetate, as swing thread, onto which I drew long-shaped forms and burnt them with cigarette butts. The acetate melted through, the sewing threads broke, and the regular paper and plastic plates showed varying degrees of scorching. The waterproof paper plate showed almost no visible effect. I initially shaped the ashtray structure using modeling clay, but it was too moist and soft to hold its form. Then I switched to light polymer clay, which is lighter, more vivid in color, and easier to handle. It works well for forming long shapes, although it lacks durability and was prone to damage. During the iteration process, I also began exploring how materials and form could evoke emotion, reactions, and reflection. I used yellow slime to simulate lung, mucus, and damage, and applied lipstick to intensify the red burn marks, creating a more disturbing visual impact to reinforce the message. On the technical side, I also tested how metals react to heat. Its results led me to explore each metal as a possible final technique for the ashtray. As I reflected on the broader issue, I thought about third-hand smoke, which lingers on skin and fabric, posing hidden dangers to family. I experimented by cutting old clothing into long or child-face shapes to us as the ashtray base, representing how smoke residues stay on garments and harm those closest to us. This added a layer of emotional and symbolic weight to the project. Moving forward, I plan to conduct further research on etched metal materials and etching techniques. Thank you.